Hello dear student, today we will see the difference between gradient, divergence and curl. Gradient of scalar field, divergence of vector field and curl of vector field. The gradient is applicable to the scalar function and scalar field, whereas divergence is applicable to the vector function and vector field. Similarly, curl is applicable to the vector function and vector field. The physical significance of gradient is it shows the trends towards higher scalar values, means it shows the trends from low to higher scalar values. Divergence will tell us the vector field diverges or not. If suppose vector field diverges, then divergence is greater than 0. If vector field converges, then divergence is less than 0. If there is no significant change, then divergence is 0. So curl will tell you how much vector field curls. Okay, it tells you how much vector field curls or not. Curl means how much rotation in the vector field is there. If vector field is rotated, then curl has some value. If vector field is not rotated, then curl has 0 value. Mathematically, gradient can be expressed as this is del operator into phi. Phi is the scalar function and this is del operator or vector differential operator. It is also called del phi. Phi is the scalar function. So gradient is presented or is expressed by del phi, and this is del operator. It is also called vector differential operator, and into phi, that is scalar function. So vector del operator over scalar function, it is nothing but gradient. Divergence is mathematically expressed by del operator dot vector field, any vector. So this is dot product. So divergence is represented by dot product of del operator with any vector or vector field. So del dot a vector, this is nothing but the divergence. Mathematically it is expressed as del dot a vector. Similarly, mathematically curl can be represented by the cross product of del operator and vector field, that is vector. So del cross A is nothing but the curl. This is the mathematical expression of curl. So what is the output of gradient? Suppose this is gradient. So del is vector and phi is scalar. The product of vector and scalar is nothing but the vector. So therefore, gradient of scalar field is always vector. Gradient of scalar field is always vector. Here the dot product. So this is vector. This is also vector. So del operator is vector. A is vector. The dot product of two vector is nothing but the scalar quantity. So therefore, divergence of vector field is always scalar. Divergence of vector field is scalar. So here in this case of curl, del operator is vector quantity, A is the vector, cross product between two vector is also a vector. So curl of vector field is a vector. Curl of vector field is vector. So these are the four distinction points of gradient, divergence and curl. Now we will understand it by pictorial diagram. Pictorial diagram, suppose this is the pictorial diagram of gradient. Higher scalar values have direction. So suppose the scalar value are in the step up format, okay, and it moves from low to higher values, so it has a particular direction. So that's why gradient of scalar field is vector. So divergence, suppose the field is diverges from a point. Suppose here is a point and field is diverges or spreaded. Okay, so this is the picture of divergence of vector field. Okay, field line is spreaded from a point value. So this is divergence. Okay, curl means field vector field or vectors are rotated or curl. So this is the picture of curl of vector field. So it is the short description or difference between gradient, divergence and curl. Thank you very much.